Hello friends, welcome to Edupedia, World of Education. Today we will learn idioms and its meaning with example of how to use these idioms in sentences. So let's start. Black mood. It means to be in a irritable, angry or even depressed. It also means to be in a bad mood. Sam was in black mood for weeks after his car was stolen. In the black, it means to have a positive balance on their account and that they owe no money. Companies focusing on product and customers are always found to be in the black situation. Black and white means there is a written proof of something. It is advisable to have business contracts in black and white. Black market means illegal buying and selling of goods or currencies. In restricted items category, there is always a black market prevailing. Black sheep. It means one who is very different from the others and least respected by other members of the family. Peter is a black sheep in the family as he never respects elders. Black gold. It means black color and high value of oil. After months of drilling, they finally hit black gold. Black tie event. It means a formal event at which men are required to wear a dinner jacket or a tuxedo and a black bow tie. In Europe, evening weddings, award ceremonies, charity events are always a black tie event. Blue around the gills means he or she is looking unwell or sick. After over-drinking, a person is always blue around the gills. Blue chip company means a company with a solid reputation for the quality of its product and the stability of its growth and earning. Apple Inc. is a blue chip company. Blue in the face. It means trying something unsuccessfully for a very long time. Competitors yelled at each other until both were blue in the face. Blue-eyed boy means to be somebody's favorite. Scholar students were always blue-eyed boy in front of teachers. Out of the blue means something happened unexpectedly. Ram and Rahim playing game together was a out of blue situation. Brown as a berry means that they are very tanned. White-skinned people gets brown as a berry if they are exposed to high sunlight. Browned off means to be bored, fed up or disheartened. Citizens are browned off by the political instability in the country. See the color of somebody's money means to check financial standing of a person before doing some dealings. Suppliers usually want to see the color of somebody's money before accepting orders. Show one's true colors. It means a person's behavior reveals their real nature and shows their qualities or weakness. A pretending person always shows one's true colors in situation of crisis. Golden handcuffs. It means a generous financial arrangement granted to an executive as an incentive to stay in their job. Management offered golden handcuffs to Akash for retaining him in the company. Golden handshake means a generous sum of money given to people when they leave a company or retire. People carrying companies always give a golden handshake to their retiring employees. Golden opportunity means a favorable time or excellent occasion which should not be missed. An admission in a reputed university is a golden opportunity for students. Green fingers means to be good at gardening. Environmentalists love to have green fingers. Green light means to give or get a signal or permission to do something. Soldiers got a green light to attack enemies. Green with envy means a person who is very envious. Neighbors were green with envy when they saw our new home. Gray area means it is not clear or easy to define and is therefore difficult to deal with. Difficult topics are always a gray area for average student. Gray matter. Gray matter refers to the brain or the gray color of brain tissue. The gray matter in the spinal cord consists of interneurons in central nervous system. Gray existence means to lead a dull, monotonous life. Overusage of mobile phones has led to a grey existence in today's world. Friends, please explore other educational videos by Edupedia, World of Education, from iLink appearing on the right side corner. Thanks. Hope you liked the video. Share to your friends and family. Subscribe now. Press bell icon for notification for such educational videos. Thanks for watching.